White Bull's Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we have a special episode. We're gonna be doing Australian Wagyu Marble Score 7, and it's gonna be a 1 pound ribeye. We got that from Second City Prime, but that's not it. We also have U10 scallops from Second City Prime. Go check Second City Prime out. Thank you guys for the meat and the seafood. Let's jump into this epic surf and turf. Hit that bell, you know the vibes. The best damn barbecue ever.
Alright guys, we season this with the one and only, the rub for beef. I don't care what you say. I'll put my rub on Wagyu any day of the week. If you don't like it, fight me. We'll see you out there on the Traeger Ranger when it's time to throw this bad boy down. Surf and turf incoming. Legendary. The best damn barbecue ever.
Guys, we are gonna take that Aussie Wagyu and we are gonna throw it on the Traeger Ranger. Reverse searing it. We're going 225, we're using signature pellets. We're gonna smoke it at 225 until we reach about 115 internal. Pull it off, let it rest for a second, bring that baby up to 400, 415. We're gonna sear it to a perfect 129, perfect steak every time. You guys can check old videos, that's a fact. 129 internal is the way to go. And then we're gonna get our U10 scallops hard sear as well, and we're gonna have an epic surf and turf. Let's do the damn thing.
All right, we got her smoking 225. We'll be back to check that temp. We're pulling it at 115. Does it even smoke, bro?
Sitting right around 120. We're about to fast sear this, about a minute and a half on each side, and pull it around 130. So let's do the damn thing. We brought it inside so you guys could have the best view possible. Let's go. We got some U10s here. We got them ready to season. We're gonna lightly season them with D-rub for beef. I know it's for beef, but it's definitely for scallops too. We got this heating up. We're gonna sear that Wagyu, and then we're gonna sear these in the Wagyu fat, because that's what bosses do. This is what I call the smoking cast iron. Once you see that, you know you're ready to sear. Y'all ready? Give that a minute and a half. We're gonna flip it and give it another minute and a half. We're at medium-high heat. That's our minute and a half timer. It's saying 122 on the probe, but that's okay, because when you flip it, you're gonna be surprised of how close to done this is. So let's flip this over, give you guys a nice view of this. Beautiful. Give that another 45 seconds, done deal. Pull it, rest it, chop it. Look at that. Perfection. We're gonna turn down to medium. Let this smoke clear a little bit as this cools down ever so slightly. And then we're gonna sear these U10s, 3 minutes on each side. Bigger side down. This is where we throw the butter in. All right, 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that dissolve. Guys, so you want to give them 3 minutes on the first side and 2 minutes on the other side, because it's kind of like searing that steak. It's going to be quicker on the second side because it's already cooking. 45 seconds out. If you want to use a spatula, you can, but look at that sear. The aroma of searing these in Wagyu fat was absolutely ridiculous. I wish you guys could smell it. Moment of truth. Look at that. Unreal. Literally dripping juices. Gonna be unreal. Dow Strong's about to take it down. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is straight up butter. Look at it. I could just squeeze it and put my finger through it. Wow. Eggs rated. Wow, this is butter. Look at this. Just fell apart. Cover the kids' eyes. Woo! Incredible. And one last look. That's how you do it. We're gonna dig in, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side. I almost don't have words. I don't. Such a phenomenal surf and turf. Probably the best one in my life. Seriously. Thank you so much to Second City Prime for basically sponsoring this cook. Amazing, amazing meat and seafood. That Wagyu was out of this world great. Wow, I'm just kind of speechless, guys. Wagyu's one of those things, it's such an amazing delicacy. Having it like 4 times, 3 times a year is just a special thing. And those U10 scallops really, really sealed the deal. Amazing, amazing quality. Thank you, Second City Prime. Thank you guys as always for watching. Comment what you want to see next time below. And I'll see you next time. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.